Displacement along xy axis or two-dimensional displacement. So let's talk about a person who walks in both x and y directions. So let's say this is our x-axis. Say it's east and in kilometers. And in our y direction, let's say it's the north. So let's do an example. Say a person walks 4 kilometers to the east and then 3 kilometers to the north. So find the displacement. So we have our origin. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This in kilometers, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if this person is going to walk 4 kilometers to the east, we're going to start at the origin, walks 4 kilometers to the east, and then from there they're going to walk 3 kilometers to the north. So this is going to be the end position or the stop, and the origin is the start. So from start to stop, let's draw an arrow, and that is the displacement. Remember that the displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. So if we have a little triangle and then we have 4 and 3, we can use the Pythagorean theorem because this is the right angle triangle. So the displacement squared, will be 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 9 plus 16. So we have 25 kilometers squared. So that gives us delta x. We take the square root, the positive square root. So we have 5 kilometers, and that would be, this is the displacement. So what is the distance that this person has traveled? So distance is not necessarily displacement. The distance is the total length traveled. So distance, the definition is the total length traveled. So this person is walking 4 kilometers and then 3 kilometers. So that would be, we add the two numbers, so we have 4 kilometers and then we have 3 kilometers, and that gives us 7 kilometers. So this is the distance. And you can see how displacement is 5 kilometers and the distance is 7 kilometers. Remember, because displacement is a change in position, final minus initial, and distance is the total length traveled. So the question is, can displacement equal to distance? So if you think about two different positions on a straight line, let's say you have x and y, and somebody walks from x to y direct, and let's say this is 6 kilometers. So then their displacement, meaning final minus initial, is going to be, this will be 6 minus 0, because if we say this is at our 0, 0 position, and that is going to be 6 kilometers. But then distance is the total length traveled, is also 6 kilometers. So this is an example. If you walk in a straight line between 2 points directly, then the displacement is equal